Did you know that the Central Business District is becoming harder to own? Let me explain. Developers are shifting away from new launches, which means supply in the central hubs like Makati, Ortigas, BGC, and even Mandaluyong are already shrinking. The truth? Once these districts fill up, units in existing properties like Abira Towers Verge will skyrocket because of scarcity. Investors who invest now aren't just getting a unit. They're securing a finite resource that thousands of young professionals will always need. Don't wait for the sold out sign. Comment or message me limit and I'll send you the available units we still have at the Vida Towers Verge.